Firstly, we're reading The Cat in the Hat Comes Back. Hey, this is my cat once, and he's so adorable. Right, let's read. This was no time for play. This was no time for fun. This was no time for games. There was work to be done. All that deep, deep, deep snow. All that snow had to go. When our mother went down to the town for the day, she said, somebody has to clean all this wee. Somebody has to, you see. Then she picked out two somebodies, Sally and me. Well, there we were. We were working like that, and then who should come up but the cat in the hat? Oh, Sally said, don't you talk to that cat. That cat is a bad one. That cat in the hat. He plays lots of bad tricks. Don't you let him come near. You know what he did the last time he was here. Play tricks, laughed the cat. Oh my, no. I just want to go in to get out of the snow. Keep your mind on your work. You just stay there, you two. I'll go in the house and find something to do. Then that cat went right in. He was up to no good. So I ran in after, as fast as I could. Do you know where I found him? You know where he was. He was eating cake in the tub. Yes, he was. The hot water was on, and the cold water too. And I said to the cat, what a bad thing to do. But I like to eat cake in a tub, laughed the cat. You should try it sometime, laughed the cat as he sat. That's a lot to read. And then I got mad. This was no time for fun. I said, Cat, you get out of there. Is work to be done. I have no time for tricks. I must go back and dig. I can't have you in here eating cake like a pig. You get out of this house. We don't want you about. Then I shut off the water and let it run out. The water ran out, and then I saw the ring. A ring in the tub. And oh boy, what a thing! A big, long, pink cat ring. It looked like pink ink. And I said, will this ever come off? I don't think. Have no fear of that ring, laughed the cat in the hat. Why, I can take cat rings off tubs just like that. Don't you know how he did it? With mother's white dress. Now the tub was all clean, but her dress was a mess. Then Sally looked in. Sally saw the dress too, and Sally and I did not know what to do. We should work in the snow, but that dress, what a spot! It may never come off, Sally said. It may not. But the cat laughed. Oh, hi! Ho, ho! I can make the spot go. That way I take spots off and dress it just so. It's just so. See here, laughed the cat. It is not hard at all. The thing that takes spots off a dress in a wall. Then we saw the cat wipe the spot off the dress. Now that the dress was all clean, but the wall was a mess. Oh, wall spots, he laughed. Let me tell you some news. To take spots off a wall, all I need is two shoes. Those shoes did he use? I looked and saw whose. And I said to the cat, this is very bad news. Nor the spot in all over Dad's £7 shoes. But your dad will not know about that, said the cat. He will never find out, laughed the cat in the hat. His £7 shoes will have no spots at all. I will rub them right off on this rug in the hall. But now we have rug spots, I yelled. What a dear! Rug spots? What next? What next? Can you take them away? Oh no. Don't ask me, he laughed. Why, you know that I can. Then he picked up the rug, and away the cat ran. I can clean up these rug spots before you can. 3 no spots are too hard for a hat. Cat like me. He ran into Dad's bedroom, and then the cat said, it is good that your dad has the right kind of bed. Then he shook the rug. Crack! Now the bed had the spots. And all I could say was, now what, cat? Now what? But the cat just stood still. He just looked at the bed. This is not the right kind of a bed. That cat said, to take spots off this bed will be hard, said the cat. I can't do it alone, said the cat in the hat. I love the cat in the hat. It is good I have someone to help me, he said, right here in my hat, on the top of my head. It is good that I have him here with me today. He helps me a lot. This is a little cat ear. And then little cat ear took the hat off his head. It is good I have someone to help me, he said. This is a little cat bee, and I keep him about. And when I need help, then I let him come out. And then B said, I think we need little cat C. The spot is too much for the cat A and me, but now have no fear. We will clean it away. The 3 of us, little cat B, C and A. I don't know if I showed you that. Get away, yelled Little Cat A. I will hit that old Spot with this broom. Do you see it comes off the old bed? It goes on TV. And then Little Cat B cleaned up the TV. He cleaned it with milk, put the spot in a pan, and then C blew it out of the house with a fan. This is weird. But took where it went. I said, look where it blew. You blew the mess out of the house. That is true. But now you made snow spots. You can't let them stay. Let us think about that now, said C, B, and A. Oh no, it's spreaded. I think it's alphabet this. With some help, we can do it, said Little Cat C. Then pop on his head, we saw Little Cat D. Then pop, 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 Little Cat E, F, and G. We will clean up that snow if it takes us all day. If it takes us all night, we will clean it away, said Little Cats G, F, E, G, C, B, A. We ran out of the house then, and we ran out too. And the big cat laughed. Now you will see something new. My cats are all clever. My cats are good shots. My cats have good guns. They will kill all those spots. But this did not